Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to change your YouTube channel keywords. It's quite simple. First, log into your YouTube studio, which is the best to use the one on the web that is using your laptop, or you can use your phone browser to get to the web, which is studio.youtube.com. And once you're there, next you're going to do is sign in. Once you're signed in, then you go to your channel dashboard, exactly where we are right now, and then you scroll at the left side. You scroll all the way down till you see settings. Tap on settings. And then you can see there for general channel, so tap on channel. So once you selected channel, over here you see country of residence and keywords under basic information. So tap on keywords, and then you can now enter the new keywords you want and change your YouTube keywords. It's as simple as that. Once you're through, let's say my keyword is you. Once you're through, you tap here. So I'm supposed to put in keywords and use comma separated values, so I don't have time for that, but you have keywords, so you should be able to put in the comma separated values. So once you're through, let's say these are my keywords, and then once I'm through, you should be able to see this option for save will light up once you're through, and then you save it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.